College can be a big, confusing place. It's the place to explore who you are and decide what you want to do. Whether you're just starting to explore your options or getting ready to land that first big job, we're here to help. The Career Development Center has highly trained counselors, advisors, coaches, and peer mentors ready to assist you with all aspects of your career exploration and planning. The first place to start is with our Career Café. During open hours, our career peer mentors, who are current Fresno State students, can provide you with resources and show you online tools to get started. They can even help you get started on your resume. Don't know what you want to major in? Choosing a major can be easy with the Career Development Center's help. Here, you have full access to a broad range of assessments to help you explore your personality, skills, interests, and workplace preferences. Career Center staff can help you explore your options and narrow down your career choices, or help you plan for grad school. Your chosen major can lead to many different career choices. We can show you job outcomes, salary information, and the job outlook in different locations for all majors. Wondering if you need experience before you graduate? Of course you do. Employers often look for that when hiring new college grads. Landing a great job to make some extra money or gain experience in your field is a snap when you go to the Career Development Center for help. We can also give you advice and guide you on internships in your major or field. We connect you with employers, host career fairs, and share exclusive job listings to help you find the right match. We offer workshops, events, and classroom presentations throughout the academic year to develop and expand your career-ready skills. We also have a great online job board, Hire Fresno State, where you can look for jobs both on and off campus, full-time or part-time, and internships too. We can help you polish your resume, write a cover letter, and build your interview skills. I know, interview skills. At the Career Development Center, we can do one-on-one mock interviews. We'll even make sure that you're dressed for success. The Fresno State Professional Clothing Closet, located inside the Career Development Center, offers professional pieces of clothing donated by our campus and local community. You can take up professional clothing, plus additional accessories like ties, shoes, or jewelry, and the best part? It's free to all Fresno State students. Soon enough, you'll be ready to show off your career-ready skills, and our career fairs and networking events with companies are not to be missed. They are great places to explore career options, find an internship or job, or to just meet professionals and alumni out in the industry. Stop by the Career Development Center at the University Student Union or USU in room 306. Visit our website at fresnostate.edu/careers for even more career content, customize your student career newsletter, and follow us on social media to stay up to date with all of our upcoming events and opportunities.